Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last lecture, we successfully inserted a single row of data into our MySQL table using Python. But what if you want to insert not just one, but many records at once? That's where executemany method comes in. In this lecture, we'll learn how to insert multiple records into our students table in a single operation using the executemany method. Let's get started. Open PyCharm. Right-click on the MySQL folder where we've been storing our scripts. Choose New, then select Python file. Let's give it a name, insert_multiple_students. Perfect. Let's now begin writing our code. At the top of the file, we first import the MySQL connector. Type import mysql.connector. Then for better error handling, let's also import the error codes. We write from mysql.connector import error code. Done. Now let's set up the connection to our MySQL server. We write connection equals mysql.connector.connect. Inside the parentheses, we pass the arguments host equals within quotes localhost, user equals within quotes root, password equals within quotes your underscore password, database equals within quotes student underscore management. Make sure your MySQL service is running. Also replace password with your actual MySQL root password. Let's now create a cursor object. We write cursor equals connection dot cursor with parentheses. Done. Now let's define our insert query. Let's create a string variable named insert_query. It holds the SQL insert statement for our students table. We type insert into students within parentheses student underscore ID, student underscore name, student underscore email, age, values, open parentheses. Those %s symbols act as placeholders for the actual values. Now let's prepare our data. We'll now create a list of tuples. Each tuple will represent one student's record. Let's name the list student underscore records. We open square brackets and inside define tuples, open parentheses, ID, name, email and age, close parentheses. Here's an example. Open parentheses 102, comma within quotes Sarah Smith, comma within quotes sarah.smith@gmail.com, comma 21, close parentheses. We repeat this format for as many students as we want to add. Let's add 3 more, John Wick, Emma Brown and David Miller. Make sure every tuple is separated by a comma. Great. Now let's insert all these rows using executemany function. We write cursor dot executemany, pass the insert query and the student records list. Once done, we commit the changes. Type connection dot commit. Then we print a success message, print within quotes all student records inserted successfully. Done. Let's now wrap our code inside a try block. If anything goes wrong, like a duplicate ID, we'll catch it gracefully. Let's type except followed by mysql dot connector dot and import the built-in class error and give alias as error and then colon. Inside this block, we simply print within parentheses f a string error colon then error variable. We write finally block colon. If a keyword followed by connection dot, call the function is underscore connected. Then close the cursor and the connection. Cursor dot close. Connection dot close. This is good practice. Always release resources when you're done. This block runs no matter what happens, whether the code succeeds or fails. It's perfect for cleaning up resources like database connections. Let's run the program. Right-click the Python file and select Run. You should see all student records inserted successfully. Let's verify it. Open MySQL Workbench. Click Refresh under the Schemas panel. Right-click on the students table and select View Data. You'll see all 4 student records have been inserted. Well done. Let's summarize. In this lecture, we learned how to insert multiple records into a MySQL table using Python. We created a list of tuples, used executemany to insert all at once, handled exceptions gracefully, and confirmed the records were added. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to fetch records from the database using a select query. It's going to be very useful. I'll see you in the next one.